Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today guys, we're gonna be repeat soda lab. I remember when I played soda lab. That was I like that. That was good. I can't do soda lab anymore though because I'm doing this and I dropped doing. Anyways, guys. So step one, you do this